are paying back to Manila. 50458 Cebu Pacific. Nag-unload ng passenger coming from Manila. Malapas ka lang. Late ang boarding line. 10:30 but it's already 10:56. Na-late dumating ang plane. Flight back to Manila.
Saka yung tawag dito. Baka